Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm going to try my hand at making a dupe of my favorite all-purpose chicken rub, the Pride of Szeged chicken rub that I have used for years and years, but somehow I just really want to know how to make it myself. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to go ahead and put together an all-purpose chicken rub, and this is inspired by my favorite chicken rub seasoning by Szeged, and you guys have seen me use that for years and years. It is getting increasingly more difficult for me to find it. I know sometimes you can find it at places like TJ Maxx and Marshall's, and when I do find it I buy it, but I have one particular outlet that I really like to get it from, and they're not really carrying it a whole lot anymore, and if I ever run out of it I want to know how to make it. So today I'm going to share with you my particular blend of this chicken rub recipe. This is my best guess as to what is in that spice blend, and I think that you'll be pleased. So we're going to start off with a 1/4 cup of fine salt. You can use sea salt, canning salt, table salt. You can use pink salt, but if you use Himalayan pink salt, that is much saltier than table salt or kosher salt, and you may want to cut that amount in half. If you wish, you can make this salt free by leaving the salt out altogether. Moving on, we have 2 tablespoons of paprika, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of dried minced garlic, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of dried minced onion, a tablespoon of crushed bay leaf. Now I just took my whole bay leaf and I crushed it between my fingers. A tablespoon of dried basil, tablespoon of dried oregano, tablespoon of dried marjoram, and a teaspoon each of thyme, dried thyme, ground rosemary, and ground celery seed. Most of you have these items on your spice rack. You know how I like to do it. I put this on a parchment so that all I have to do is kind of bring everything together and slide it in my jar. And I like to make sure that there's enough room in the jar for shaking. So we'll go ahead and give this a good shake until everything is well combined and tumbled together. And there you have our version of the Szeged chicken rub. So that's it. I mean, that's the best we can do at this point, and mine is a little bit saltier, but I will say it could be dependent on the type of salt that's being used in this. I've used a finely ground canning salt in mine. This is probably iodized salt. Iodized salt is notoriously not as salty as other salts, so that is something you will want to keep in mind. So that is my best guess as how we can make our own all-purpose chicken rub that is inspired by the Pride of Szeged chicken rub that I love so very much. I hope that you'll give it a try, and if you do, let me know in the comments down below. If you try it, I hope you love it, and until next time, I'll see ya!